excited to announce our newest solution, the Charlie pouch in the wide variant. This is a pouch designed for a wide range of applications, but the number one is on the front of a placard. What we wanted in this pouch was something that maintained a really low profile, but it could expand to carry as much as you needed. This is part of our Charlie line, which means it has our unique pass-through system on the back, giving you horizontal storage. Here I've got a set of flex cuffs stored in there. You can also use this pass-through to carry initiators, maps, and a wide range of other items. What's also super cool about the pass-through on the Charlie pouch is that it opens on the top as well. It defaults into a hook loop closure where it stays closed, but it opens up for the full width of the pouch, allowing you to store a wide range of items. Right now I've got an initiating system stored in here, but just for point of example, you could store something as large as a smoke grenade down into this pass-through. Note that this is loop lined on the body side and hook lined on the other, so any other insert that either has hook on it or hook loop, so any kind of mag inserts will fit in there, taser inserts from soil eater, whatever you want to fit. There's a lot of expandability into this pass-through, but when everything's out of it, it simply closes back on itself and doesn't add any bulk. The pouch itself has two compartments. The main one with dual zippers, which opens up. Both sides are loop lined, so you can use any of our rigid inserts in there to organize whatever you need. Right now, I've got a loop cert and a multi-cert in here, holding a Right in the Rain and some writing utensils. On the other side, I've got one of our multi-cert larges, holding a multi-tool and some chem lights. The main compartment has two different tie-down loops, so that you can secure SI or anything else you need to, and know that it's not going to go anywhere. Additionally, in the main compartment, we have two different cable pass-throughs, and I'll show you what this allows you to do. In this case, I'm going to take this power bank. I can now feed this cable through the pass-through and access it either through the top of the pass-through to attach it to an EUD, a drone controller, whatever else I might need to do, or I can route it out the side of the pass-through and again attach it wherever I need to. The cable pass-throughs expand to a very large size, so any of your standard USB cables will fit through there, but also Fisher connectors or any of your standard military connectors will fit through those cable pass-throughs. The front compartment is smaller, but it does offer expandability with this gusset, so you can actually fit quite a bit in there. And then down in the center of this front compartment, there's an additional tie-down point. It's a great place to keep a compass or something like that you want to be able to quickly access. The pouch is your standard 6-column MOLLE, so it'll attach to any common placard, back panel, cummerbund, anything like that. It's super lightweight. And then again, this whole pass-through is also loop lined behind it, so you can put any inserts in there. It'll also take the Charlie zippers if you want to add additional zipper closure. You can add wings to this or just about anything else that uses a hook loop interface. Now I'm going to take everything out of this pouch just to show you how slimmed down it gets. The way that we designed this, the pouch will naturally suck itself back in to stay super slim. Again, you can expand it quite a bit. You can easily fit a full roll-up charge in here, quite a few magazines, but it'll lay nice and flat when you don't want it to be full. On the bottom, we have an integrated tourniquet loop, which will fit your standard cat tourniquet or soft tourniquet. Additionally, you can use this to hold no-nell, and then you have places to put your Raptor clips either in the side of this pass-through or through the top, whatever you need. There are drain holes on the bottom on both sides, so you can also affix shock cord to that if you want to use it to carry charges or anything else that you might desire. Again, this is our new Charlie pouch in the wide variant. Yes, that does mean we will be doing additional variants of this in the future, but we're excited to have this one released. We think this gives the best of both worlds, of both something that's slim profile for your placard that doesn't add a lot of bulk, but offers completely unique expandability between the two compartments, and then this pass-through system that opens both vertically and horizontally. Thank you for watching, and please reach out with any questions.